In this video, we're going to go over turning off nutrient details in the Food and Mood Journal. You can do this on a client-by-client basis by going into the Journal section of the client record, next, select Edit beside the Food and Mood Journal, and select Do Not Display Nutrient Details, and save your changes. Keep in mind, clients will not be able to see their nutrient breakdown, but it is still visible from the practitioner portal. If you want to turn off nutrient details for all new clients given access to the Food and Mood Journal, you can do so by going to the gear icon, selecting Portal Preferences. Under New Client Preferences, select Edit Defaults. From here, you can turn off the nutrient details for all new clients given access to the Food and Mood Journal. When you have adjusted your settings, select Save Changes.